Hello, this is Pierce Arrow for SATV. Here we are at the 2011 Heritage Days Antique Car Show. It's an annual event that always turns up the greatest in classic and exotic cars. Let's go take a look. We've got a representative of the Phillips home, and she's going to tell us a little bit about this 1929 Model A Ford.
So it's a 1929 Model A Ford owned by Stevie Phillips, who is the son of the Phillipses. The Phillips house is actually celebrating 100 years today of living here at 34 Chestnut Street. But yeah, it's driven up to New Hampshire before there were paved roads.
Is that right?
Yep, they would go up to Lake Sunapee all the time up in New Hampshire. So,
oh, wow.
Yeah.
As we headed down Chestnut Street, we were amazed at the amount of cars that showed up at the meet that day.
Okay, here we are with Nick Sakatis, and he's got a Austin Healey 3000, and there are a couple really interesting parts about this car that you don't really see these days. I'll let Nick tell us all about it, maybe starting with what the English refer to as the trafficator.
Yeah, this is the item. This is the item right here, and we call it a directional, and it works. You just push it, and it clicks back. So the English have different meanings for different things. They don't call this a hood; they call it a bonnet.
Yeah.
And so there's different things that the English name, and it's different language.
Yeah. I noticed that on it there was I don't know if you can see it. There's the pedal. The gas pedal is tiny, and Nick was saying that the reason why. Well, I'll let you tell us why.
Well, a lot of these cars were bought by people who are low cost, racers for the SCCA here in the country, and that it's a little square iron piece, and what that was put in for was that when you race and you're going through a corner, most drivers will hit the brake with their heel and then hit the gas with their toe. It's called heel and towing, and that would get them through the corner, with a lot more power than just braking and then have to gear up again and go through it.
Thanks, Nick. Now let's get back to the cars. And as the day carried on, the classic cars just kept coming.
Automobile.